Welcome to GSSI's PaveScan RDM 2.0 Assembly Guide. Let's get started. Let's start with what's in the box. Now would be a good time to pause the video and go through this checklist to make sure you have all the components necessary to assemble the PaveScan RDM 2.0 system. Step 1. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, attach the cable management bracket to the back of the handle. Step 2. Insert the handle into the cart and lock into place. Attach the tablet mount to the handle using the thumb screws. Step 3. Pull the knob located underneath the orange arms to unlock and unfold the arms. It should click into place at 90 degrees. Use the pull tab to unlock and unfold the arms. Now it's time to insert the concentrator box. Unlock the lid by disengaging the pressure tabs and lift the lid. Place the concentrator box in the slot as shown here. Step 5. Attach each sensor at appropriate distance and lock with pressure latch. The plate must be behind the stew heads when connecting the sensor boom to the bar prior to locking the latch. Now it's time to attach the cables. Line up the key and hand tighten the cable. Using the cable management bracket under the arm, guide each cable through. Next, continue towards the center and connect to the sensor port. Repeat for all the sensors. Use the included Velcro ties to organize cables and boom bars accordingly. When attaching the gray survey wheel cable, it's to be guided underneath the handle. Guide the cable to the right side facing the front of the cart from behind the handle. Thread it through the casing and into the gap. Guide the survey wheel cable as shown here. When using the survey wheel extension cable, attach the male end to the sensor. Guide it through the center and attach to the gray survey wheel cable. You can use the Velcro to tidy up and attach both cables together. As you attach the tablet cable, key it in and rotate it to hand tighten. Guide the cable to the same path as the survey wheel cable, up through the cable management bracket, and lastly through the oval at the top of the handle. Attach the cable to the tablet, then lock into place. Use the slots to customize your viewing angle of the tablet. Close lid and lock. Your final result should look like this. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your new PaveScan RDM 2.0 system. For questions, please drop us a line at training@geophysical.com.